Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm pretty sure that you all are doing fantastic in your life and you all are enjoying your life so nicely. Well, this is Anjali Karki from Majgaon, and as usual, it's our duty time. So it's 9:15 in the morning, and my husband, my confident person, is coming me dropping there. Our today's target is the same place, Village Seri, and today is the 10th day of SIR, and we are allotted first 10 days for the distribution of SIR form only, and 80% of our work is done, 20% is left, and I hope so that this 20% would finish today. So let's go and let's see how this vlog turns up. It started from 8th June, and before 15 days of 8th June we disseminated a message all the villages which we are allotted that they have to prepare or they have to get ready their documents. 20 days are passed, we are going home to home. Their documents are not ready, but their excuses are fully ready. So it's really very challenging, and today I want to share something with you guys. People often think government teachers, especially primary teachers, their job is just a piece of cake and they are getting good package. Okay, they have it easily, and they are living it uh, so nicely, but the condition is quite opposite. We do hard work, we our work is not only teaching, but we have to pay duty in the different places as well. So we are wearing many hats. It's not an easy task, especially in primary section, because first 10 years you have to work in very interior areas, and people have very cynical mindset for you. So we have to convince them, we have to do hard work, and there are many things which we have to face. Thinking that government job is in primary or government job in medium or whatever is just a piece of cake. It's not true. We have to bite the bullets. Pretty girl, where are you going today? Where are you going today?
My school जा रही हूँ आज.
School. Okay, but mama is going another place, not a school. Well, you are coming there only to drop me, okay?
School.
School. We have to cover just 1.5 kilometer distance. Today we have decided this part in Seri village, and we are going on foot. There is the main road, so we have covered half kilometer approx from the main road. Let's see how much we have to walk today. Well, today I'm very prepared that I know I have to work for 4 or 5 hours today, so fully ready or fully ready for 5. Well, we are raised, and let's see how many uh, people or voters live in this locality. And look at this path. It's tough, isn't it? And there's my head teacher, and BLO sir is going. Let me show you view around these homes. going in this house and see how poor the condition of home is. And this area is well known for landslides, so many people have shifted from here. A few homes are here. A few families live here. There was no one inside this house, so we inserted all the forms inside their house, going towards another home, but we have to cover long distance to reach there. And look at the sun shining so brightly. Very hard, huh? But we are strong. Look at the beautiful field around me. We are asking those villagers for houses. And these are paddy fields, beautiful green paddy fields, and they are working, maybe removing unwanted plants from these paddy fields. This is lingur, famous vegetable, wild vegetable, but very nutritious, very rich in iron and calcium. But some varieties are very poisonous, and some are not harmful, edible. So we need to very careful while collecting these wild lingur. I collected one from there, but burning does not enough, and I have no idea is it poisonous or non-poisonous. निशा मैडम थक गए
बहुत ज़्यादा।
सर व्हाट अबाउट यू, आप भी थक गए?
थक ही गए मैडम, प्यास लग गई है, शायद ड्यूटी लग रही है गर्मी समर वेकेशन में, ये काम करने पड़े इतनी धूप में, और बारिश में भीग रहे हैं, ओले पड़ रहे हैं, कभी बारिश हो रही है, कभी धूप लग रही है,
फिर भी हिम्मत देखो,
फिर भी हम लगे हुए हैं। ये बात उनकी कार्य है।
यस, because it's our duty and we give priority to our duty. Oh, look guys, the condition of the homes is really so poor. This side the work is done, and these houses are waiting for us. It's 4:30 in this evening. Still roaming here and there in this village. See guys, 5:38 in this evening, and just coming back. Still on road, just coming back from home to home tour. Guys, going towards our room, and today it was very hectic day for us, so we are feeling really so lethargic after serving 6 hours of duty continuously. And today, after knowing the condition of our villages of India, I am feeling so poor, or I must say I am overwhelmed with sorrow, because relationships are also so poor. They don't want to step on each other barandas, even if they are real brothers. So I felt very sad when I saw this condition. How someone can do this? So just imagine, they don't step on each other veranda. They have their limit line, let alone talking to each other. and the poverty in our villages. Still the condition is same, so there is no change. It's 2026, and if I compare this with 2001, condition is same. There is no change. So this was a small glimpse of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.